Guys, bro, here. Network went fucked up here. Network cut off. I don't know what's wrong. The video cut off, and I restart again for new video here again. So going back to if the price ranges, I say in the previous videos, and you want to understand. If you don't understand if the price ranges, how they control the market, how they come back to the stoppage, you won't be able to know and to figure out what's going on in the market. You won't control. You won't be able to control your emotions. You won't be able to respect your own rules, trading planners. Have you ever wondered that why you are not waiting the market? Why you are not controlling yourself? What's wrong with you? Yo, yo, yo. You just need to ask why. At the end of the day, you're gonna get your answers from yourself. You understand what I mean, guys? If you keep studying like me or like if me, I'm still a student. I'm just trying to learn more every single day. I'm trying to find out more information because this game it's a game of information, guys. The more information you get in your mind, the more better trader you become, the more better investor you are in a financial market, guys. So what I'm telling you here is, and if you're a day trader, you need to find out, you need to learn about the ipda data ranges, how they control the price, how the ipda deliver the price. They say ASEAN ranges, blah 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 blah. That's a theory, man. They create too much things not to understand them. So you need to understand those, and the reason all these strategies don't work, guys. They don't work. So without risk management, you are gone. With one day like risk management, guys, you're almost hit like 50% and you stress for the day. I say, I will gain my power back. I will work hard to get. And she used to be stressed, guys. It's hard to figure out. So, guys, if the data ranges is how you when you understand, you will understand how the market take the money from impatient traders to patient traders. The market is a device that transfer the money to patient traders and transfer the money from impatient. Do you think the impatient they cannot have a patient? They can have a patient, they can wait, but they don't know how. The patient traders they find out how the market was deceiving them. How long market set boundaries high, low, like 12 hours, 16 hours, and trap the traders jamming down or jamming up, then they get sell high, profit low. Or they get a buy low, profit high. And every single day it's happening. Then they find out after years of months, years, actually years of pain. Do you understand, guys? So actually you need to understand that. When you understand that, you will understand why, well, you have a patient, why market is shifting. Before you was not even you cannot even figure it out. But now after this video, I wish you're going to figure it out, guys. So I say for intraday data ranges, you need to go back London, ASEAN, London window, Europe London window. You need to go back 4 H4 candles or 16 hours price data. Or you go back to yesterday, London, New York, high and low price data and breakout areas. Then you will find out where is the money is. You see, and if you are trading with support and resistance, then you're gonna get the breakout area or previous support and resistance or previous I call it SBR zones. RB zones I call it. Some guys they ICT call it breaker blocks. Breaker blocks. All are same. But you need to understand the concept of ipda. Without ipda, I don't know what's going on. Without ipda, it's very hard, guys. Very, very hard. Okay, for London, for New York window, you need to focus for 4 H4 candles. The current candle, the last candle, the previous candle. Which means it's 4-hour candles. It's about 12 hours price data. So let me say here, and if you go back to 4 hours price data, 3 hours price data, like yesterday in New York window for gold, what do you see? The market came back to the breakout area, previous resistance support. If you are support trader, if you are ICD trader, what you gonna? You're gonna break a block or breakout area, break a block, hold it. Breakout, pullback, continuation. If you are break resist trader, easy. So what you do? What you struggling? You're struggling. Hold it. If the secrets, that's it. What you got too much knowledge, my friend. You know what you're doing. You have too much knowledge, but you don't know the tricks of ipda, the interbank price algorithm. How they move the prices like this, like this, like this, like this, and confuse you and kill your mind. Okay, let's go to and guys to the chart and like if you want to use like 15-minute time frame, you go for 3 days. Today, yesterday, and previous day. Look back for 3 days. The if the high, the if the low, where they trap, you will find out. Mark your zones. Where they trap, who liquidity was taken, who's in fake out, who's in breakout, then you will find out. If you want to understand like in 30-minute if that, go back for 4 days. Today, yesterday, previous day, and day before. It's 4 days. When you go back all the 4 days, you will find out who's in trap, where market break up. You see that? Then you see where the breakout areas are in. Then you will see the outer blockers and break blockers or trendline areas or moving average areas or big this areas. You will understand many things. So if you want to understand what I call here and H4, H1, H1 and if the data ranges, you go back for 5 days. Today, yesterday, previous day, the day after, 5 days. They swing high and they swing low, and the way the breakout area is, the liquidity is. I don't use the equal lows, equal highs, all the highs. That's it. Not for that keep me confused, guys. I delete that. You see, guys. So if you want to use like H2 time frame for IFDA, you're gonna use like 1 week and 3 days for price swings, swing high and swing low. See that the swing high and the swing low for 1 week and 3 days. Like last week high, last week low, Monday high, Tuesday high, and Wednesday high. See that? Then the market came back to 50% of discount area that you can use for that IFDA, guys. For almost like 8 days, right? 8 days. For H4, you use a 15 days or 2 week price data. You see, master that right in the book, guys. Me, I got this in this book. As you can see, guys, here. As you can see here, scalper price data. Right here. If the price data here, right here. Can you guys see? 5 minutes price data is here. Right there. Right in the book, guys. Almost around 12 to 13 books like this. It's not easy. 50-minute price data. Look back. You see that? If the monthly 30-minute price data. Look back. H1 price data. Look back. Look back for H1 price data, guys. 4-5 days, guys. It's not easy, guys. You need to do back testing. H2 time frame price data. You see? You guys see in here. H4 price data. You see? H4 price data. Look back for 15 days or 3 weeks. See, 3 weeks. I say 3 weeks. Can you see that? 3 weeks, guys. 3 weeks high and 3 weeks low. Can you see, guys? Free card. It's not easy. So you need to go and you see if the data ranges for data for daily, go back for 60 days. He go back for 60 days. 60 days, guys. So it is about mastering that process. You understand that process? Then you're gonna be, oh my god. But I am going to use for you guys to do back testing with you guys with a H4 intraday time frame. Okay, let me go to look back for 3 to H4 candles price data. If the data ranges, market boundaries, and Europe London window, look back for H4 candles price data. I wish you guys now we are together now. Okay, I say look back price data here. Look back price data here. Okay, here is what? Europe London window. The price date of Europe London window and New York candle window, guys. Okay, you get this information. Let me go to and the other time frame here. Okay, for now, the day start from here. Where? The day start from here. So last year H4 candles of the day was here. All right. So I go back to this what? 1, 2, 3. So go back to I say go back to what? 4H4 candles, which is 16 hours. How many candles? 1, 2, 3, 4 is 16 hours price data.
Away movie.
Yes, sir.
Where is the beach? Ice cold. Maar klaar zijn naar je in de week, man.
Beach.
Beach, ja.
Okay, mania.
In Chicago.
Are you guys together now? Free cash. That's what I call free cash. 4H4 candles is what is 16 hours price data. You guys together? Yes. New York come again. 1, 2, see the 3. The fourth candle open. This is what? This is what?
Away.
Don't have room.
Ja, hier.
Window for Europe London window. New York 1, 2, 3. For Europe London window, again 3H4 candles. Are you guys together? Yes. Okay. Then what happened here? First hour. One, two, three. And they come back, order block, and they run. See that?
Customer, customer, please.
Okay. For ipda, intraday, that's what I use, guys, so that I find out. So if you don't know, then how you gonna know? You see here in next H4 candle, they just come back for breakout area, they just come back for break a block area, they just come back in OB area. You see BD array areas. You see here, you know what you're doing, but you don't know the secrets. That's the main problem.
Hi, brother. Yes, sir. One tool say the toilet roll. Pakicap si ma'am, lace, lace. This is small lace. Yellow one. What is green and yellow? Green one and yellow one. And one. Okay, two tool say the please. You have a plastic bottle with Coke, 440 ml.
Yeah.
Assembly. Then you can give me assembly.
That is more the 2
Yeah.
plus 440 mile. Cover.
22 plus 40 is 36.
No, 22 plus 5. 24.
24.
Yes, sir.
And then also a lunch bar and a bar one.
Big.
Yeah, lunch bar and bar one. 44 plus
24.
44
Plus
24
Yeah.
is 60, 68.
Yes, sir.
I owe you again.
Sure, no problem.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Hey,
Okay, guys. I wish now we are now guys together now. I say every single day ASEAN is about is 8 hour range, right? ASEAN 8 hour range plus previous range. We is London, New York. So 4 hour canals. 16 hours plus data. You need to know that secret, guys. Without knowing that secret, that if the data range is gonna confuse you and hit you, you will find out why if the data ranges high and low or market boundaries. London, New York, yesterday. See that? If that is not joking, guys. That's where everybody's confused. It's not easy. The ASEAN ranges and da. It's gonna work, doesn't work, it's gonna work, doesn't work, it's gonna work, doesn't work, it's gonna work, doesn't work. It's gonna confuse you. Are you guys now together? Yes, let's go to the chart, guys. Let me go to the chart, guys. Let me go to the chart. Let me go to the chart. Let me see. Go back to what? Remove and go back to the chart. Okay. I say here the day start from here. The new day start from here, right? The new day started from here. So ASEAN session is first 8 hours of the day. The first two H4 candles. Okay, the New York session is a last and London boundary for yesterday is last 8 hour candles. Last 8 hour trading session. So like this day, we hedge for high lows here. was here. 1, 2, 1, 2. So the H4 high and low was here. So when they hit this boundary, and this boundary, you can see the liquidity was sweeping and the market going opposite.
Oh,
Yes, sir.
come. See the book. See the book. See the book.
Guys, sorry man, I'm just walking the shop, guys. See, I don't trust only the online industry, man. I trade the shop, guys. It's hard job, but I cannot trust that. Okay, the last hedge for ranges. Now, when you go back, the liquidity sweep. The liquidity was sweeping. So yesterday, New York is around here. So when you go back this, you will find out there's a range high and low. You will find out they didn't reach this area. But you see, the liquidity they sweep. Every time you will see they come back this area with a momentum and they go back with a momentum and they're going back quickly, guys. I'm telling you. You see that? Every single day, you will see that issue. 3 to H4 candle range. H4, 4, H4 candles range. 16 hours price data. Are you guys together? Yes. I'm going back to the back testing, guys. With you. Okay. Then this liquidity was taken. Then the price ran. Again. Yes, sir.
So please.
Yes, sir. Let me say, if you are a big trader, if you are a smart money trader, what do you see in this candle? Strong breakout area. You see, is what I call here. That's the call here and efficiency, price efficiency. Actually, the price came back to efficiency. Actually, this was ipda. Was it? Ipda that, and you see here that like this one, the price was trading in this fair value gap. They call fair value gap, blah blah. I just say liquidity, guys. Other things I forgot. I don't want to use it anymore because sometimes they work, sometimes they don't work. Sometimes I don't want that things. I don't want that thing. I don't like that thing. I like small, simple things. Easy. See, like yesterday, the price, and my mentor always say, thank you into yesterday closing price. Yesterday closing price. Yesterday closing price. Last week closing price. Last month closing price. They are making it. See, guys, that's why we see the price stay below, come back and fly. It's one monthly closing price. And yesterday closing price is 2 before level, daily before level, and a monthly before level. You need to understand also before they are also useful. But everything is useful, but you need to add things together, man. There's nothing work alone. You understand what I mean, guys? You need to add all the things together to make all in one spice. Are you guys together? Free cash, free cash, free cash. You need to understand all the things together. You see, yeah? Nothing is not easy, nothing is hard, guys. You just need to add things together. See, yeah? Okay. And later New York, let me go to H4 time frame again. Later New York, we're gonna study what? The ipda range. See, yeah, New York open around here. Now we're trading with H4 1, 2, 3. See the ipda low and the ipda high. Can you see? Because we got a 1, 2, 3 candles. 3, there's a 1 candle, 2 candle, 3 candles. We get 3 H4 candles, which is 2 hours price data. Then we go to 1 minute time frame or 5 minute time frame, whatever you call it. You can go to any time frame you want, guys. I use actually 5 minutes, 15 minutes for daily scalping, and I know my levels, right? I know my level is from high time frame. For lower time frame, I try to get what I call it, yeah? What I call RPO zone. RPO zone, what I call it, yeah? This RPO zone, whole area is RPO zone. This is what resistance, breakout, and keep it simple. Breakout lower, fail. Breakout up, I call it what I call here. I call it as support. I call it what? RBO zone. What I call RBO zone here? R, it was resistance here. Breakout. B, become zone. Can you see, guys? The zone hold, breakout, back continuation. Can you see? But who make it help us? The ipda.
Go slow. Bigger. Go slow, barbecue.
No, sir, no barbecue.
Oh.
As an ICT trader, as a smarter trader, you know the breaker block. You know the breaker block. But why you don't trust this area? You see, it's a pure break block. Why you don't trust this area? Because you don't know the if formation. Why I'm using only the in support and resistance breakout area, and I trust it. Why? Because I know the IBDA formation. That's it. That's our difference. So you need to understand the IBDA formation and add on your strategy. If you're using SMC strategy, you need to add on your strategy. If you're using the breakout retest, you need to add with your strategy. You know the strategy you are using. It's up to you. So I'm just giving you the IBDA formation, the IBDA data ranges, and how I find out they're useful for it's confusing us. Are you guys together? Yes, free cash, free cash, free cash, free cash. The data range is magic. This I call what? This was a resistance, breakout, broke up, free cash. And if that was here, if that was here, guys, that's why there's a free cash. So if you go to the ICT, you see what? The efficiency. 1, 2, 3. If you go to 5 minute efficiencies, you're gonna get if the efficiency. If you go to drop based drop, rally based rally, you're gonna get here rally based rally candle. You see that? You know what you're doing, but the problem you don't know if the price range. Are we guys together now? Free cash, free cash, free cash. I wish now I open your eyes. All right. So it's now about 29 minutes data, 29 minutes price information. So let me go to the other day before. The other day before here, let me go to H4 time frame here. The other day before, we go to other day before. The other day before here, I see last 2 candles of yesterday. And last four, I see I want to 4 candles, right? I just want to put 4 candles, right? 4 candle low and 4 candle high. Then I go to my 15-minute time frame. That's what it's called 16 minutes price data, guys. I got 16 minutes price data. I don't want any other information. All right. So the 16 hours price range is here for me. So what I use here, I say here that the range is gonna come here. And they take it from here, then I go with them. If they don't come back, I don't want it. Free cash, free cash. Then I use what here, RPO zone support, broken resistance will be support for free cash. I keep it my thing symbol. So if you say break a block, come back and fly. You know what you're doing. If you say trend line here, the market breaks the trend line. Come back, break out trend line, come back to your trend line and fly. You know what you're doing, but you don't know the information. That's your only problem. Take the information, copy, and take the information, if the information, and add your trading strategy. For free cash. I say, last night I promised in Facebook, I'll open you guys eyes for free cash. Next, you're gonna say, I said, what's God sent? Oh my God, that's what the people say most. If someone help you for free, they think it's someone God sent. See, God sent. You are God sent. They say like that. Strategy. God sent. They say God sent. You see, yeah. Add in your channel lines. If you tell your channel lines, everything is working, everything is right, but people are not struggling with what? If the information, if the is 16 hours. Imagine 4H4 candles, price data. So imagine if you don't know that information, how you gonna wait for that information? You see, yeah, the impatient, they don't know how to have a patient. I've been in that cycle, guys. Now I know what I'm waiting for. The impatient are not stupid, guys. Are none are less informed terrorists. They don't have enough information, enough interbank price information. You see, people are not stupid, guys. People are not stupid, guys. The people are not stupid. They don't have the information. Trust me, it's very hard to get information. It is very hard to get information. You see, how I get this information? I pray a lot. I pray a lot, guys. I pray a lot. Pray a lot. You see, God knows what I want. See that? That's our difference between me and you. You may be wondering how I get this information. I can't even know how I get this information, guys. I get the IPDA for monthly, for ICT. I try to look for almost like it's not easy to get also. Understand, you see it. Free cash. And then when I understand, yeah, that I see, yes, God, you let me understand. I understand the reason. You see, yeah, being a Muslim is not easy, guys, because you have to help those struggling. You see, yeah, when God give you things, He give you the reason. He can give to someone, but He choose all of the people only you. Why? Because He know you going to give. You understand what I mean, guys? But those is struggling through His blessing. Free cash, free cash. Are you guys together? Free cash. I call it free cash, guys. And now, guys, from today, your eyes will be opening. See, today, I can't even. You see, many guys, they cannot even they see. Is well, how this information exist? They exist. There's a real information on the market, guys. I'm telling you guys. There's a real information on the market, guys. You need to understand how this IPDA work. Without this IPDA, you can struggle a lot. Without this IPDA, it's hard to make it. It's hard to have a patient. It's hard to be in the patient trader. It's hard to respect your rules because you don't know how the IPDA work. I have been there for 4 years. I know what I'm doing. What I'm talking about. I know how hard it is. See, and look if traders are struggling, fighting. Why? Because they don't have enough information. You see, God, and He doesn't give everything to one person. He share the wisdom and the knowledge between us. Why? We have to help each other. Instead of that, we become enemy with each other. You understand what I mean? We don't understand the purpose we are living, and the purpose God give us this wisdom. Guys, these days people doesn't like one who talk about the religious stuff, but to be honest, everything is about what I call, yeah. Everything God make for the reason, guys. You need to understand that. Go back for ever currency base, guys. You will see the same information over and over again. Go back to the Nasdaq. Where's the Nasdaq 100? A friend of mine, she like this one. This one is like beautiful girl for me. I don't like beautiful guys, man. Beautiful guys problem. Beautiful guys, they don't respect the man. So I say, no, man. Beautiful guys have no respect for a man. And if I don't get respected, I'm not a man, Moose. I don't feel like a man. Then man, he always stay where you get respected. So if the girls, women doesn't respect, then it's rather to be outside, guys. So the free cash system last year hedge for candles high, last the hedge for candle low, last the hedge for candle high here, right? Then we go to daily time frame. You go 15-minute time frame. You see here, there was closing price here. They come to the closing price, and this was I see what here. Think on this today closing price, last month closing price.
Hey, Burkhard.
Yes, sir.
We have a calendar here, Burkhard. A calendar here.
What is that?
A calendar.
Calendar.
Yes.
Okay.
How many weeks is in this? February.
I don't know, bro.
4 weeks. Zing man, please, man, give me zing pie.
Only management buys. Only management buys.
Okay. So right.
Alright.
Hello. You can lose eggs.
Yeah.
How much one?
3 grams. 3.
3 years.
Hello.